All right, so this holiday season, I am doing a massive giveaway. It's actually called Giveaway for the Holiday. It's a collaboration giveaway with Paul from Paul's Hardware and Brian from BPS Customs and a whole bunch of vendors, including Asus, Corsair, Enermax, Thermaltake, Be Quiet, Vertigear, EVGA, Cooler Master, Gigabyte, EnSource Customs, and Computer Upgrade King. There's going to be a total of 21 prize winners in this thing, so you actually have a better chance of winning something in this giveaway than any giveaway I've ever done ever. The prizes range from video cards to motherboards to computer cases to monitors and so much more. In fact, the full prize list can be found in the giveaway link in the video description below. But hang on just one sec, there's a couple things to note. You have to be 13 years old or over in order to enter. If this giveaway drops before your ball bearings have, you just can't enter, I'm sorry. Now, this is mostly an international giveaway, but due to local law and import taxes in certain countries, only some of the prizes will be available internationally. If you don't live in the United States, don't freak out too much. You can still win a bunch of cool stuff like a Vertigear gaming chair, NZXT case, Z390 motherboard from Gigabyte, or even a Gigabyte RTX 2070. Now, to enter, the only thing you actually have to do that's mandatory is be subscribed to my, Paul, and Brian's YouTube channels. But there are a handful of bonus entries that'll increase your odds of winning, so be sure to check that out in the giveaway link. Now, we're trying to get all these prizes to you guys before Christmas, so for that reason, we're going to end this giveaway a week from today. All 21 winners who have been drawn will receive an email from Brian. I typically recommend not opening his emails, but this is different. And you'll have 48 hours to respond to his email, or your prize will be forfeited and a new winner will be chosen. Finally, if you just want to rack up some karma points, feel free to say thank you to all of the vendors who are participating, as well as Paul and Brian on their social media channels. That's going to do it for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Good luck to all who enter, and I'll see you guys in the next video.